Well, howdy, folks, and welcome to another part of the prostate cancer journey that I'm on. I'm trying to bring you along the best that I can. I know a little bit about what to expect going forward. We have some things set up, and we'll talk about that. And I've shown you some things that we've done so far, diagnosis and biopsy and getting my berry smoothie that I have to take for my CT. All those things are coming up, and that's all part of the process. But I think part of the process that I need to talk about too is the emotional side of it. I stay pretty positive. I feel really good. The doctors seem to think so far that we caught it early enough to where it may be very manageable, and that does give me some sense of relief. But we're not there yet. I have a CT in a few days to determine whether that cancer has gone beyond the prostate. And then I'll be meeting with the surgeon after that. And listen, there are so many worse things out in the world I think that people are dealing with. But I also think that things are relative to the situation that you're going through at the time for yourself, no matter what it is. And I'm trying to be okay with that with myself as well. We just heard this on the Olympics. Phelps and Simone Biles said sometimes it's okay to not be okay. And I'm trying to maintain as positive and happy of an attitude as I can, but it's tough. The idea that you have anything wrong with you. And for me, the fact that I have prostate cancer, my dad had prostate cancer and struggled with it, died of colon cancer. So not all days are fantastic. And I don't know what kind of I'm not maybe not the right hype man, but for those of you out there that are going through something, I guess it's true. It's okay to not be okay, and to reach out to the people that you love and that support you, and get the help. My wife is like that for me. She helps really bring things back into perspective, and or just be an ear to listen. Sometimes we don't need it to go back into perspective because, again, things could be much worse, and I understand that. But this is part of the process, I think, that we go through. And the idea that I have cancer, the idea that I don't know how manageable just yet it is, and that most likely I will be getting surgery, and then there are things that I will deal with after that surgery that don't sit well with me. So it's all just a tough process, and I thank you all for your support, and I hope for all of you out there, just know that sometimes it's okay to not be okay.